Do you know that you can schedule voice or video calls on WhatsApp? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it. But before I continue, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Without further ado, let me go to my phone and let me show you how you can schedule voice or video call on WhatsApp. Let's go. Okay, first of all, open up your WhatsApp app. Then you click on calls at the bottom. You can see there calls. I'm using an iPhone, so it should be similar with Android as well, right? Calls. See, there's many calls here. You just have to click on the plus sign, all right? And then you can see here there's new calling, call a number, new contact, or schedule call. So it's very easy. Just click on schedule call, and then you can just add whatever description, testing for YouTube. And then you can click on start date, whichever date it is. For example, I want to put it later. All right. And then call type, it could be video or voice. Click on next, and then you can pick the people that you want to call. For example, I just click on testing. It could be group or it could be a person. For now, I just want to try with a group, testing only. Click on next. And then at the group, you can see here at the bottom, all right, they will receive an event. Okay, so you can see here, Ken Ang's WK call, WhatsApp call at 11 AM. So you can edit event if you want to. So it's here, all this. You can cancel event, voice type, all these things. So yeah, so that's how easily you can schedule a voice or video call in WhatsApp. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more WhatsApp tips like this. Thank you so much for watching and I see you next time. Goodbye.